channel CT the Traveler. It is spring here in New Zealand. Every year, the cold winter melts away and spring brings a new beginning. New beginnings are never easy, but if you think positively, that will inspire you to embrace them. There is nothing lovelier than springtime in the country. Once the days get long, the weather begins to warm up and colorful flowers start popping up. We are ready to get outside and bask in the glory of the season. Here I am traveling with my lovely wife around the New Zealand. Most probably, we do travel in most of the weekends. For us, it is a time to relax and play and just enjoy ourselves after a busy week. Hope you enjoyed our video. Please do consider subscribing.